Well, when I hit it this way, right?
When you're coming from this direction,
I'm going against the grain.
You're going against
Or, well, no, like this.
yeah, that's with the grain. If you're going in here, you're going with the grain.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, right, okay. And then once I'm going down here, I'm completely against the grain.
Well, no, but you're not really, because remember that the grain here is coming in this way. So when you're coming down on an angle, you're also you're going with the grain in a different way.
Yeah.
Because the grain is running more or less horizontal. So you can get away with this quite easily. There's no tear out there. It leaves fairly, because it's fairly sharp, it leaves a nice smooth edge. So you're not going against the grain right there.
Yeah.
The only time you're going against the grain is if you're working in this direction. Try that now. See how I drew that blade back in, so you can just see it protruding out from the sole of the crochet. Draw that towards you, see what happens.
Is my angle right?
Well, that's going to sit like that.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
So, that
Your
little
blade
divot that I have here
is
is
set so
run
deep.
away?
Yeah, you'll get rid of it. And you can also slide, just clamp it way back here so you can get a longer stroke if you want. Yeah.